guys use mobile Samsung Galaxy A03S. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Look complementation. In complementation we have device made of plastic on the back side, triple camera LED on the front side, 6.5-inch display. Okay. We have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable in complementation. That's all complementation. And now talk about device. On the right side, power key with fingerprint scanner. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone, headphones jack. Okay. Turn on device. HD resolution display, PLS matrix, 6.5-inch, and open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek MT 6765 octa-core, 4+4 cores, GPU Power VR. Okay. And these results: CPU test and GPU test without results. Okay. Open AnTuTu benchmark. Look AnTuTu benchmark score. 10 touches support display. 5 touches, 10 touches. Okay. 100. We have 100,000 we have on this test. Okay. And run demanding game PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level, but works good. We can play in the PUBG Mobile. Works good. Okay, settings, graphics, low graphic level. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.